Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that you may encounter while working on your Django project. The issue at hand is related to the search functionality in your web application. When you try to search for a product, the URL displayed in the browser doesn't include the search query parameter, which can be quite frustrating. Let's dive into how we can fix this problem smoothly. To address the problem, the key lies in the HTML input element responsible for capturing the search query. By adding a name attribute and setting it to Q in the input element, you ensure that the search query gets appended to the URL properly. This small but crucial adjustment allows the search functionality to work seamlessly and display the full URL with the search query included. In summary, by adding the name attribute with the value Q to the HTML input element for the search query, you can resolve the issue of the search query not being displayed in the URL. This simple fix ensures that your search functionality works as expected, providing a better user experience on your Django web application. Thanks for tuning in. If you found the solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, coding is fun when things work smoothly.